Welcome to Archiesense. Catalejo is an architectural work rooted in the context of its location. The site's main attraction is 4 ancient trees over 300 years old, resembling an oasis in the middle of a lush meadow. The landscape changes drastically according to the seasons. In summer it looks like a desert, while in winter and spring, wild grasses grow abundantly, creating a rich vegetative environment with unexpected reliefs. The design of the house is directed to float above the ground, allowing the growth of wild grasses that form a kind of green lagoon below. The position of the house is focused on facing the ancient quillayes and molles trees, which provide a monumental and timeless landscape. With vaulted ceilings and double heights, the house was designed to fully capture the beauty of the forest in the interior spaces. The circular shape of the house creates a close relationship between the interior and the landscape, creating a sense of continuity. This architectural choice makes the natural environment not just a backdrop, but an active element that redefines the perception of space. The construction materials were chosen to blend visually with the landscape, reducing the visual impact of the house on its surroundings. This approach allows the architectural work to become an integral part of its context. Catalejo is more than just a residence. It is an architectural experiment that explores the relationship between humans and nature. The landscape is integrated into the interior of the house, creating a constant and profound dialogue. The windows of the house act as lenses that amplify the beauty of the surroundings, creating a greater awareness of the relationship of the inhabitants to their home.